Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the phone off, removing the SIM, and inspecting it visually. Look for bends or dirt. Clean the SIM contacts with a lint-free cloth or 90% plus isopropyl wipe. Allow it to dry. Once done, reseat the SIM in the correct tray orientation and power the device on. You do this because a loose or dirty SIM is the most common cause of no service. Make sure your account is active so the network will accept the SIM. Next, force the phone to reconnect. Toggle airplane mode, and if available, use the manual network selection to pick Lycamobile. You should verify the access point name. APN matches Lycamobile's settings and re-enter values exactly. Incorrect APN can block data or registration. Also check the preferred network type, set to LTE/auto for modern phones, or try 3G if LTE fails. If the phone cannot register after these changes, note any error message. Finally, confirm your SIM is fully activated on Lycamobile's side. Carriers sometimes need back-end provisioning that may be delayed. You should install carrier updates or reset network settings to restore default configurations. This clears corrupt network profiles. Once done, reboot the device and test. If there's still no service, try the SIM in a different unlocked phone to isolate whether the phone or SIM is at fault. Troubleshooting tip: if symptoms persist, request a replacement SIM. Faulty SIM.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.